So we are now in Hanoi city, and now we're gonna check the city a bit up. So let's see what they have to offer. So I think that's the gate for the cars. That's the gate for the not cars. So, and as you can see, as usual in Vietnam, a lot of restaurants, coffee shops and everything. The famous egg coffee, then they have the famous salt coffee. All these things. Food is also not much more expensive, even if you're in a tourist area. You can get your, I don't know, the same ice cream for 10k, or maybe a food for like 50k, which is like €2, €1.80, $2. And yeah, you can buy a lot of. Don't ask me what all these things are. Okay, since I have no clue what you can find here, I just went on Google Maps and opened attractions, and it recommended me a temple which is called Ma Ba Temple, which is near here. I'm gonna check it up and let you know if it's relevant to go there. Okay, we're here in front of the Ba Temple. It's kind of closed. And second, I have tank tops with me and only shorts. I forgot the t-shirt and the long trousers. So anyway, that's the temple. I think, yeah, you can go inside if you want. I'm not into it anymore. Let's go for the next one. Okay, and the next stop is the Old Quarter. Wait, I'm walking in the wrong direction. Old Quarter Ta Hien Corner. And there's Hanoi street food, and it's a Tiger Crystal Corner. Let's see what they mean with that. So yeah, the temple looks like a normal building where you have inside, I guess, some history stuff. Magic. And you have really nice, unique restaurants, like with fresh lobster and crayfish and I don't know. And tour guide places, restaurants, bars, smoke, whatever, people doing barbecue. Okay, I'm now in this corner, which looks actually pretty basic. But yeah, I think this is the place where you have at night a lot of nice bars and places, since everything is closed here. Yes, okay, so during the day you have here mainly street food stuff, as you can see here. People drinking beer at 12. Mr. Kebab. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, next space to visit. Next place to visit. I read space here somewhere. Next place we go to the traditional house of Hanoi. Let's see if this is open. So my luck is perfect. This is the traditional house, which is also closed. Like it looks like during lunchtime they close all. So yeah, next spot. And you have really nice flower places, even with fake flowers, but anyway. So we are now going to the lake, which is hopefully open. Because if the lake is closed, I have really bad luck. And now we're gonna try a juice with the Centella Asiatica juice, Rauma. So we are now at a very famous spot. It's like next to this lake. They have a KFC, coffee club, and I don't know, some more coffees. And I think in the evening this might be a super nice place. And it's super cheap. You can make here a city tour with one of these buses for $4, which is actually really nice. And also one at night for $150, which is like $6. Cool, that's nice. So it's really a relaxed place with trees, flowers. Yeah, middle in the city. Pretty nice. As you can see, other people are relaxing here, watching the nothing. And yeah, under the shadow it's also pretty cool. And yeah, I'm still feeling stupid when I talk to the camera. As you can get your ice cream for like €1, so cheap. Even here in the middle of the city, in the tourist area, you can get here like a juice, bubble tea, ice cream for €1. Crazy. It's really relaxed in the middle of the city. We have like 1 more hour, then I have to go back because some of the English students want to go for a iced tea with the foreigner. And you have this thingy here in the middle of the lake, which is actually pretty nice. This one, I don't know what's that, but yeah, never mind, we don't have to know. And yeah, the people sell here leaves. I think there's something inside. I hope there's something inside for them. Otherwise also okay, if people eat leaves, why not? Hashtag vegan, let's go. Well, I don't know who defines these tourist attractions, but somebody defined this clock as a tourist attraction. So we're gonna walk now around the lake and then we check this part a bit more up. But first we're gonna see this clock. Wow, so touristy. It's even not working anymore. Wonderful. Here we got a luxury mall, I think. Looks like the Trondheim Plaza. Ah, let's see. Let's go inside. So yeah, it's really a luxury mall, as you can see, with all these brands like Gucci, Cartier, and I think upstairs it's getting more normal. We have here Nike and all these places. Just to cool down. Well, as usually you're not allowed to film inside, but still it's like a rich people's mall. The security was like running around after me when I pulled out the GoPro. So yeah, but it's nice. The first 2 floors or 3 floors are like just like rich people stuff, or at least wealthy. And then you have like basic brands like Nike and Gap. And the last one is again a nice cinema and a small food court. This thing is again a tourist attraction. This small tower. I will put the name in the description, I don't know now. And yes, it looks kind of the same as the thing in the middle, I would say. But the only thing we could do is we could go through. So yeah, I don't know, something holy I guess. And you have a crush here, 2040. Yeah. And we reached here another tourist attraction with a nice tree and this nice park statue with a dude who is peeing there in the middle of the park randomly. I mean, why not? But yeah, let's see what's going on there. Who's this dude? So this dude is Li Taito, which was an emperor, I don't know how to spell it, in the past. He's like one of the Lu dynasty dudes. And look at this crazy tree. These are like grapefruits or something like that, or fat oranges, and they are real. Yeah, there are a lot of them here. Cool. But yeah, pretty nice area. I guess in the evening there will be a lot of things going on here, or people chilling, because now it's just a bit too warm, tiny bit. Now we are going back to this park. Okay, maybe when these people are all crossed or done. Ah, there's a pedestrian way. Let's try. And it's really hot, but we are going there. There's a small bridge to this thing. Let's see what's going on over there. A lot of tourists. Wow. I mean, we just go there if we don't have to pay entry. But let's see. There's a security in front of it. Let's see. This is another tourist thing. It's called the Ben Tower. So yeah, I don't know why. Maybe it looks like a pen on the top. Okay, this looks like a exhibition. Thank you. But yeah, I think you have to pay entry to go there. So no thank you. It's the so-called Nokson temple, where you pay like €2 entry fee. But no temple or not anymore. And on the opposite side you have these dudes, where this girl looks pretty buffed, if this is a girl. And yeah, just from the war some things. She's buffed, 100% buffed. And they have everybody's fancy trees with these long branches in the city. I think there's another temple. Huh. Blah 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 blah. Is the worship stuff. And you have to remove your shoes again. This is written there. And I will not go in. So in here on the other side of the lake, you can have the how is it called? Water Muppet show, which is like really famous here. You can also choose it in your language. You pay between 4 and 8 euro for the show if you want, I don't know. And if you want to save money, go to these small coffee shops. Why I showed this, like, I don't know, not in these fancy tourist places, because they pay the double or the triple price for the coffee. Okay, actually there would be much more to check up, but I have no more time. I have to go to my English students now, but maybe I will come again after my trip and check it up for one or more day maybe. Let's see. And you have here so many small shops for, I don't know, what's that? Repairmen, engineers. And then you see here like supermarket, I don't know, clothes, nails, Yves Rocher, some coffee shops, a small temple or something like that. Anime figures, hotels, bus, sports store, banks, markets, everything. Nice hotels.